In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can record your Chromebook screen without using any third-party app, because in Chromebook there is a built-in screen recorder tool that is free and it captures really good quality video. So here's how you can access that feature. And one thing that I need to let you know that this feature is not available in some sort of dedicated app in Chromebook or setting in Chromebook. In fact, it is only accessible via a keyboard shortcut. The keyboard shortcut that you need to press is Ctrl, Shift, and then the Show Windows key. And if you are confused or if you've never heard that key before, then let me show you where you can actually see the key in your Chromebook keyboard. I actually have a keyboard layout for pretty much every Chromebook, and this is a typical keyboard layout on Chromebook, and the keyboard keys that you need to press are Ctrl and then Shift just above it, and then the Show Windows key right here. It's located above the number row, and it has this rectangular, and then there are two vertical lines next to it, and it's called Show Windows key. So you have to press those three keys at the same time to access the feature. So I'm going to press that Ctrl, Shift, and then Show Window. There you go. Now, in order to record the screen or record a video, click on this option, and you can either go with the full screen or just selecting a specific area that you want to record, or you can record a dedicated window or an active window on your Chromebook. For this demonstration, I'm going to select the full screen, and after that you can click anywhere to start recording. I'm going to click this area, and there is a countdown, and we can start recording. So this is the result, and I'm not going to do much here. I guess I'm going to just open Google Chrome, and I'm going to just close the browser, and to stop the recording, just press this option, this button, and the video will be stored on your Chromebook device. And in case you are wondering where you can access or see the result, just go to Launcher, click Files, and then navigate to the Downloads folder. That's where the video is stored, and you can double click to open it, and you can play the video. So I'm going to play it, and it should reflect the thing that I just did on my Chromebook device. And you can see that I'm opening Google Chrome, I'm closing it again. So it's really pretty good. I gotta say the video quality is pretty good, and it is actually optimized for the web because the format was WebM, which is a very optimized format. It is small, but the quality is really good. So that's how you can screen record your Chromebook device without using any third-party tool. I hope you found this tutorial video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video.